Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous 2-row repeat crochet table runner. One of the easiest and most elegant patterns you can crochet. It's relaxing, beginner-friendly project and you can make it in any size you want. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. For the start this pattern, I have to make a slip knot. Like this exactly. Make a loop, insert the hook, pull up this yarn and first knot. Now I have to make chains about 35 centimeters. The chains should be multiplied of 10 plus 2 chain. For this tutorial I make 62 chains. Yarn over, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 62 chains, I come back. I made 62 chains. Now here for the start row 1, a single crochet into second chain from the hook, 1, 2, insert the hook and make the first single crochet. Like this, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops together, and this is first single crochet. Yarn over, skip 4 chains here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Into next, insert the hook and make 3 half double crochet puff stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into same place. Grab this yarn, pull up a loop, 2, and one more time, 3. Like this exactly. Now yarn over, pull through all loops together. This is first puff stitch. 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Another puff stitch into same place. Insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, then a puff stitch. 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. One more time into same place, yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, insert the hook, pull up a loop, and one more time, 3. And the puff stitch. 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and the other one into same place, yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, 2, and the other one, 3. Then yarn over, pull through all loops together, and here exactly like this. Then I have to skip 4 chains again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Into next, insert the hook and make a single crochet. And just repeat this, yarn over, skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into next, pull up a loop, 1, yarn over, insert the hook into same place, 2, the other one, 3, and yarn over, pull through all loops together, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Another puff stitch into same place, yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, and the other one, 3. Then yarn over, pull through all loops together, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. One more time. Insert the hook, pull up a loop, insert the hook, pull up a loop, and the other one, 3, yarn over, pull through all loops together, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and one more time into same place, insert the pull up a loop, insert the pull up a loop, and the other one, and the pop stitch here like this. Now I have to skip 4 chains here, 1, 2, 3, 4, then into next, insert the hook, grab this yarn and make a single crochet. So here like this exactly, and just repeat this, nothing else. Yarn over, skip 4 chains here, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, into next, insert the hook and make 3 half double crochet pop stitch, 2 and 3, and the pop stitch, 2 chains, another pop stitch into same place, 1, 2, 3 chains, another one into same place, 1, 2, 3, and the pop stitch, 3 chains, the other one, 1, 2, and 3, and here skip 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, into next, insert the hook and make a single crochet. So just repeat this pattern and I come back to close row 1 here. I made row 1. Now here for close row 1, after the last pop stitch, skip last 4 chains here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Skip last 4 chains here and into last chain make single crochet. Now row 1 like this. Row 2, chain 1 just for a start, turn back the work, a single crochet, top of first, single crochet, then 2 single crochet into next 3 chain space, 1, 2, then 2 chains, 1, 2, 2 more single crochet into same place, 1, 2, here like this exactly, then into next 3 chain space just repeat, 2 single crochet, 2 chains, 1, 2, 2 more single crochet, 1 and 2, then 2 single crochet into next 3 chain space, 2 chains, 1, 2, 2 single crochet into same place, 1 and 2. Now here in the center, top of this single crochet, I have to make a single crochet, insert the hook, pull up a loop and a single crochet. So here like this, and just repeat this, nothing else. Into next 3 chain space, 2 single crochet, 1, 2, 2 chains, 2 single crochet into same place, 1 and 2. just repeat into next 2 single crochet, 1, 2, 2 chains, 2 single crochet, 1, 2. Into next 3 chain space, just repeat 2 single crochet, 2 chains, and 2 single crochet into same place, 1 and 2. Now here, top of this single crochet in the center, I have to make a single crochet, insert a pull up loop and a single crochet. So like this, and just repeat this pattern, and I come back to close this row. Row 2 like this. Now here for close row 2, after the last 2 single crochet, 2 chain, 2 single crochet, I have to make a single crochet top of last single crochet here, insert the hook top of last single crochet and make a single crochet. Now row 2 finish. Row 3, it's look like row 1. 3 chains just for a start, count as first double crochet, 1, 2, 3, turn back the work. So this 3 chain count as first double crochet. Now yarn over to make 3 half double crochet, pop a stitch exactly top of this petal in the center. Skip this 2 chain in the center into this 2 chain space here, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, 2, and one more time 3, and just make a pop stitch, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, another pop stitch, and just repeat this petal exactly top of this into this 2 chain space, yarn over, 1, 2, 3, and the pop stitch, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, and another pop stitch. Then I have to make another pop stitch here, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, another pop stitch into same place, 1, 2, 3, and last pop stitch here, exactly like this. Now here, yarn over, a double crochet top of the single crochet here, insert the hook, lock a loop and the double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2 loops and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over and just repeat the pattern. Skip this 2 chain space, and here in the center of next petal, top of this into this 2 chain space, make half a stitch, 1, 2, 3, and the pop stitch here. Then 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, another pop stitch into same place, 1, 2, 3, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, another pop stitch, 1, 2, 3, then 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and another pop stitch here into same place, yarn over, 1, 2, 3, and the pop stitch, here like this, then yarn over and the top of the single crochet exactly in the center here, make a double crochet, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over top of next petal in the center into this 2 chain space exactly here, make 3 half double crochet, pop stitch 1 2 3 and pop stitch 3 chains, and just repeat this pattern, nothing else. So repeat this pattern and I come back. Row 3 like this. Now here for close row 3, after the last puff stitch, make a double crochet, top of first single crochet here, insert the top of first single crochet and make last double crochet, and this row finish like this. Row 4 is the same as row 2, chain 1 just for a start, turn back the work, and here I have to make single crochet, top of first double crochet, then 2 single crochet into next 3 chain space, 1 2 2 chains, 2 single crochet into same place, then 2 single crochet into next, 1 and 2 2 chains, 1 2 2 single crochet into same place, 1 and 2, then into next 3 chain space, just repeat 2 single crochet, 2 chains, 2 single crochet, and here top of this double crochet in the center, make a single crochet. Just repeat this pattern to finish this row. Row 4 like this. Now here for close row 4, after the last 2 single crochet here, I have to make a single crochet top of this 3 chain. Exactly top of this chain, make a single crochet, and now this row finish. Just repeat row 2 and 3 and continue to get enough length. Row 5 is the same as row 3. Now you have to repeat row 2 and 3 to get enough length. Next row is the same as row 3. First I make 3 chains, count as first double crochet. So 3, turn back the work, and here I have to make half a stitch into this 2 chain space in the center of this petal here. So it's the same as row 3. Continue this pattern to get enough length. I hope you enjoyed this pattern. Please give it a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.